What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Fomo Factory. Happy Saturday. Today we're going to do some research to 5 other coins that are in the crypto portfolio that you can win as soon as Bitcoin hits $100,000, whenever that might be. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel because, you know, one way to, or the way to win the portfolio is to at least be a subscriber of the channel. And if you feel like, whoa, winning a crypto portfolio, what up with that? Here you go. My button isn't working. Okay, let me explain. That was so amateuristic. Why it's not working? Okay, so I'm buying into 5 crypto portfolios. A portfolio with coins, or 4, sorry. A portfolio with coins called by Alex Becker. A portfolio with coins called by Crypto Banter. A portfolio called with coins called by BitBoy. And a portfolio with coins called by you guys. So in this video, I will sincerely ask you to leave a comment about these 5 coins that we are going to talk about right now, if they should stay or if they should go. I really need to know that. So in this video, I will be going over 5 other coins that are in the portfolio and doing some basic research to them, right? So that we can actually have a little knowledge about what these are. In the last video, I talked about Cadena, Flux, Ergo, Nervous, and about another one, Immutable X, but I deleted that out of my own initiative just because the tokenomics really are bad. So today, I would like to go over Acala, Joe, AGIX, LCX and AllianceBlock. And it's getting quite interesting because we are now talking about the low caps, right? And in the next video, we talk about this one, this one, this one, and then this one, and you'll see the market cap going down. So these are the real DGEM plays right now. So we basically, in the last 2 videos, you can watch them back on my channel. It's on the playlist. It's on this playlist, by the way, if you want to know. This is the playlist with the portfolio challenge. So just go to this channel and you'll find it. But these were all basically just layer 1s and blockchains and all that. Yeah, we're now approaching, you know, the high risk, high reward stuff like the DEXs, the gaming stuff, the potential of making 100x. So I don't want to make the video too long. The last one was around 40 minutes, so sorry for that. So let's jump right into it, man. And the first one is Acala. I'm going to do my research as if I don't know what it is. And luckily for me, I don't know what it is. So let's take a look at this Acala. But these are all coins called by you guys, the community. So you all, you let me know, like, okay, these should be in the portfolio, and I added them. And now we have to narrow it down because we're going to end up with 15, not 10, like I said before, but 15, as like there are many good projects in here, and I cannot delete every one of them. So first of all, price charts, always first thing I would like to take a look at. It's more than 20x from its all-time high, right? Sitting at 18 cents at the moment of recording. The all-time high was $2.80. So not this $2, but $2.80. So it's sitting 25, 26x from its all-time high. So it came down quite a lot. All right, so circulating supply, 500 million. Total supply, 1 billion. So ACA. Let's take a look at ACA. And I have my community portfolio right here. And have I already added it? ACA. I have already added it. So if we take a look at this, what I don't like is that, you know, it came down a lot, but while it came down, the stochastic RSI went up, and the stochastic RSI always reset at a point, and that's when the price usually comes down. So there might be a little downside for this one. Also, what I will check out is that it's a pretty new one, right? And I have the Binance chart right here, by the way. There is a chart that takes it further back. Gate and KuCoin always taking it further back, right? So if we take this one, here we go. We have more, you know, more information about it, but still, right? What I don't like is that there's no volume now. So for now, the project isn't really doing anything. But if it's a good project and if it will be a success, then it only means that we have a good buying opportunity right now. So before we dive into what it is and all that, I would like to take a look at the price, of course. So I need my coffee. So Yeah, it just came down quite a lot. That's all I basically can say. And also from June to August, we had a relief rally, and there you can find out like, oh, which coins are really going strong then, right? So a relief rally is good because it's basically some kind of a preview of what it can do in a bull market. So some coins really pumped. Ethereum, Matic, CDFI, all that, Flux, crazy. Let's take a look what this one did, because it doesn't look that great. Like this was the bottom, right, of the bottom, and it went up very shortly for 80%, right? So it's average. Ethereum performed better than this, right? And now it even made new lows. It's one of the few coins that made new lows after we already seen the low. So the price movement is not really making me this happy. Let's take a look at the Twitter, because I also want to know, like, do they have some important eyes on them? And they very shortly here say also what it is. And Acala is a decentralized finance network powering the AUSD ecosystem. It's DeFi on Polkadot. Okay, cool. I like that it's built on Polkadot. More people should build on Polkadot. And they vote for the community referendum stage 3 of hoping have passed. Oracle's liquidations, CBD borrowing, etc. will resume. Okay, cool. So they interact with the community a lot. They have a lot of interaction with the community. They have a lot of likes, a lot of retweets and all that. They are followed by some, a lot of people. Big eyes are keeping an eye on them. That's good, because if this, I follow like a lot of important people in crypto Twitter, right? And if you go to a project and then you see that nobody follows this project, then it's like, oh, okay, so why not, right? But this one has, and that's good. So that's looking good. Also, if we take a look at their Telegram, I would like to see if there is a lot of stuff going on right there. So let's take a look. This is their announcement channel, but I would like to see their... Okay, I would like to see the group, because if they have a group, I don't know. I don't see anyone respond to this. But anyway, yeah, it's like Twitter, right? They give them their updates also right here. So fine, it's still alive. It's still going on. So that's good. Let's take a quick look at the website of the project to see what it is. And it's the decentralized stablecoin of Polkadot. Integrate your DApp with AUSD, the native decentralized stablecoin of Polkadot, and Kusama. Okay, AUSD. So this is their, their native token, and of their native token, their stablecoin. And what I don't like is that their stablecoin is not stable. Right, they was dollar, and they depegged like all the way to fucking what, and they came back, but now they're even sitting way below $1. So it's not going so great. I mean, if this is the first thing you see on the website, it's all about the stable coin, and you then look at the stable coin, which is everything but stable, then I feel like, I don't know. Okay, so yeah, I don't know what I think about that. They also have multiple tokens, by the way, because they have a Karura token as well. Okay, but that's their network. So Karura is their network. So if we take a look at DeFi Llama and we search for Karura, let's take a look at that. Okay. They have $16 million in total value locked. But yeah, it's like, okay, the native token has a lot of value locked. That's growing, right? But if you look at the dollar, what's locked in $2 actually, they went from like $80 million to $60 million. That's quite of a hard drop, if you ask me. And there are basically no projects being built on it. There's nothing really built on it. So that's and this protocol deposits into another protocol, or it's under liquid staking category. So it subtracts from. Okay. I don't know. I think this is, it looks like it's not working yet, in my opinion. So yeah, no total value locked. Look, $60 million. If we look at chains and we scroll down, then we can find it here, rank 55. So all these are doing better, like Rose, Oasis, Metis, and we go to the high ones. Even Moon River, that's not really out there yet. And look, Ethereum has 32 billion, Tron has 5 billion, Binance Smart Chain 5 billion, Avalanche more than $1 billion, Polygon $1 billion, Solana $1 billion, Arbitrum $1 billion, and this one has 16 million. So this is not this is not like, oh, but then there's a lot of potential. This is just reflecting how it's doing, right? How the working product is actually being used or not. And it's basically not used. So I don't know. I don't really know if I like this that much. So yeah, no. Okay, so let's go back to the website, because what up with the team? Where can we find the teams? Meet the ecosystem. So they do have a lot. Game DAO is also... Oh, okay. So they have a bigger ecosystem than it shows on DeFi Llama. They have NFTs, they have oracles, they have Chainlink as an oracle. That's good. They have a lot of DeFi, which is pretty good. They have multiple wallets. You know, MetaMask supports it as well. Parachains, Dot probably. Of course, Sama, your Moon River. Yeah. Okay. Node operators. Cool. Okay, check. I don't know. We have to take a look even further to find out if this is really something. But yeah, maybe. I'm not pretty convinced or something. I won't. Look, if I look at the community portfolio so far, and I see all these projects right here, and I should be like, okay, there are 15. So that's a third that should stay. Is this project looking better than 2/3 of what we already have? In my opinion, no. So I should say, what was the name again? ACA, right? Yeah, ACA it was. So in my opinion, it should go. Leave a comment about this one. Should it go or stay? Right. So let's take a look at the next one. That's Joe, Traded Joe. Here I know a lot more about. So circulating supply 330 million, total supply 400 million, max supply 500 million. Okay, let's take a look at the price chart. Came from $5, more than $5, $5.09. Now sitting at around 23 cents. What is Joe? Joe is the leading DEX on the Avalanche chain. If you believe that Avalanche will be a success, then Joe will be a success, basically. So then the upside is a lot more to invest in Joe than in Avalanche, right? So unless there will be a DEX that does better than Traded Joe. In my opinion, it will be really hard to top because Traded Joe is really a very good project. They have a lot of utilities. You can, of course, trade just like PancakeSwap. It's quick, like Avalanche is pretty quick. It's not bad. You have the pool right here. Then you can search for pools like AVAX USDC, Joe AVAX, whatever. Here you can actually farm these. And they have a lot of utilities as well, because if you go to stake, there are 4 options to stake, and that's pretty cool. If you stake Joe with SJoe, then it means you earn USDC. So if you stake your Joe, you get 5% in USDC. So that's really nice because you lock your Joe, but there won't be more Joe. Right, so that's pretty nice, and it's 5%. It's not like Terra Luna 20%, so it's not like, okay, is this sustainable? 5% is decent. I like that. Then you have RJoe. You can participate in launch events, and that's really nice because they have lunch right here, so they have a launch pad as well. And all these coins right here, they participated in the launch pad. Now you also want to check out, like, okay, how did it go? Right, what was the price, and what's the price right now? Now, although this was all pretty much in a bear market, right? I mean, the 7th of February 17, 27th of February 27, 12th of March. Well, the fully bear market, so probably not a big success right here, but what is, right? You can also stake in the VJO pool, and this is nice because if you lock your Joe right there, you get VJO. The more VJO you have, you can go to the farm, and if you, for example, farming AVAX together with USDC, you get a higher APR. So you control your APR. I think that is pretty smart and revolutionary when it comes to a way of farming. So that's good. And there is another way to stake, and from the top of my head I don't exactly know anymore. XJO withdrawal only. XJO is no longer okay. This is not active anymore. So 3 ways of farming, right? And they have NFTs, joepacks.com. Pretty nice. They have the complete marketplace right here, and it's quite popular. So they have a lot going on. You can mint right there. It's really good. It's really good. Then the team for Joe. Let's take a look if we can find something about the team for Joe. So Trader Joe team. We have to see where we can find the white paper. Ooh. Where can we find a white paper? GitHub. Yeah, that's probably where we can find it. LB white paper. Liquidity book. That's probably not where the team is. Team. That's kind of hard. Is the team of Joe doxed? I don't know, by the way. Trader Joe team doxed. That's also just a way to find it, right? Trader Joe team doxed. AMM. That's kind of hard to find. Telegram. Subscriber channel. That's not what we want. We want a group, right? We want a group. We want to see people talk. So I don't know about that. Okay, we'll skip that for now. Twitter, Trader Joe. All right, so Trader Joe. Here we go. So if you look at the Twitter, though, they have a lot of people following them, like a lot of, projects, but also big investors, traders, Launchpad, CDeFi is following them. So that's already a good thing. So yeah, Trader Joe. I like Trader Joe. It is kind of a risky play, but you must realize that they have a market cap of $77 million for the Avalanche chain, right? Their all-time high market cap was $500 million. So that's already 10x in market cap, right? Not in price, because back in the day, there weren't that many tokens. So the tokenomics are getting better and better and better. So that's really, really, really nice. Again, if you believe in Avalanche, then you should believe in Trader Joe. And that's more the question right here. Do you believe that? So leave a comment if it should stay or if it should go. Then we have AGIX. I don't know that. I don't know about that. All I know, we are getting low cap right here, right? Because this is a $50 million market cap project. Half of the tokens are in circulation. Could be better. Let's take a look at the price. What the actual fuck? All right, so we got AGIX right here. On what market is it to be found? KuCoin. Okay, KuCoin is probably the oldest one. So let's take a look at the chart for AGIX. And if we take a look at AGIX, and this is on KuCoin right here, cool. Then it doesn't take it all the way back, man. AGIX, USDT. And sorry for the blah, 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 but I try to, be entertaining and doing research at the same time. I can't. I can't. So usually I just want to sit quietly and just do my thing. Okay, chart doesn't take it all the way back. Doesn't matter. So it was sitting at around $1. In 2018, beginning of 2018, and let me quickly refresh my mind. Main charts, Bitcoin, 2018. Yeah, that was when the bear market started. So this project wasn't there in the bull market. So we don't know how it behaved back then. All we know is that, it was born at the top of the bull market. And then, of course, it comes down quite hard because it's a new project. And, it's bear market, full bear market, a pretty hard bear market back then. So it came down from, $1 to like a cent, 2 cents, something like that. And now it's sitting at 4 cents. So it's sitting pretty much at that level. But it showed us that in the bear market, it does nothing. But in the bull market, it goes pretty hard from around 2 cents, 4 cents to, well, this peak right here was quite a lot. Let me zoom in right there. It was 80 cents again, right? And that was kind of a fake out. But even here, right, 60 cents. So it did a 30, 40x. Easy, right? Now we are kind of sitting at these same levels again. So if this project keeps on building, there's no reason for me to believe that it can't do this again. So this could be our 40x play, right? But that's purely price-wise. What is it? You can blah, blah, blah. Okay. SingularityNET is a decentralized marketplace for artificial intelligence. The business value of artificial intelligence is becoming clearer every day. However, there's a significant gap between the people developing these tools and the businesses that want to use them. Most organizations need a more customized solution. And the long-term vision for them is to build a network of complex artificial intelligence agent interactions, primarily using resources for the shit. What a technical story. What a technical story. Just give me a fucking game or something like that, or a meme coin. It's so much easier to understand. So this is a project also. This is not something that you just, can read in like 5 or 10 minutes and completely understand the project. You want to sit down for this and really do some good research. But artificial intelligence is not really going anywhere, in my opinion. So, that's that. And back in the day, they already needed it, right? So for now, I think it might be pretty interesting that in the next bull run, it could do the same. Their partners, this Cardano, right? Yeah, this is Cardano. They have Hanson Robotics, Ocean, Sway, Cisco. Cisco, that's pretty cool. And I don't know these. Okay, cool. So I want to take a look at the white paper though, because tokenomics are not that perfect. It's not bad or anything, but it's not that perfect. Oh, and we can stake these coins. We can stake these coins. Staking calculator. So let's say we have $150 invested. So we have 3,000 of these coins, right? If we have 3,000 of these coins, so stake amount 3,000, reward amount. I can make that myself. No, I'm based on pool size. Okay, I don't know. 2 current pool size, reward pool, stake and earn tokens. Okay, so you can log in right here, stake it. On what chain is it built? Ethereum. Okay, cool. Ethereum is not that expensive anymore. It's like 50 cents fees or something like that at max. So that's not holding me back anymore. Current session open. Oh, that's that staking pool that's open. Okay, cool. So yeah, okay, we can stake it. I want to take a look at the tokenomics. Big white paper. Am I going to read that right now? Hell no. Tokenomics. No tokenomics. So the no in tokenomics. Where can we see the tokenomics? Team. Let's take a look at the team. Founding team. Co-founder. Is there some more information? They got the links in, of course. Yeah, I need to log in there. I don't want to do that. Okay. They got a team, right? Not a really big team, but you don't always need a very big team. Yeah, Hagrid is doing it, man. So advisors, head of Millennium Project Korea and SingularityNET. Okay, yeah, a lot of Asians, so good shit. Where is the tokenomics, though? I want to know about the tokenomics. We can also go to the Telegram, of course. So this is the community, nice. So we can just look here. So, tokenomics. Let's see what we can find. Is there a place where I can view the tokenomics buy and sell tags? Well, the buy and sell tags is not like, okay, tokenomics, tags, what the fuck? I can't find tokenomics on the website. Okay. This is the tokenomics, I guess. Jesus. Token supply in billions. Right. So they now have around 1 billion and they're going to 2 billion. And 2 billion is going to get fully vested in 2045. Okay, cool. But that's a little last part, That's not that interesting, right? They already have a third more in 2025. And I, expect Bitcoin to top out end of 2025, but Bitcoin to be $100,000. I think early 25 could be the case. So we should look at around here, something like that. So yeah, there will be half more by then, which is quite a lot. Okay, I'll leave that open. That's quite a lot. Cool. Next. Video already taking too long again. God damn, why don't I just speed up? Sorry for this, man. But yeah, research, even this little research takes some time. Then we have LCX, another, we're getting more low cap all the time, right? So this has a $40 million market cap, circulating supply, total supply, looking pretty fine. Not perfect, but I'll give this an 8 out of 10, right? So this is looking really decent, Right, so the price chart, how did it behave? The price chart, it was flat. It was like, oh man, this is where you want to, invest. Look, in end 2019, beginning 2020, you can also see like end 2019, beginning 2020, that was around this area right here, right? Where Bitcoin wasn't really doing anything. It was just in, after the bear market of 2018 was still going sideways. Yeah, we had a nice pump, but this is where new projects are born, right? And if it's a good project, you can make a lot of money. We are there right now in this bear market as well. We're not that far yet, right? But we are, in my opinion, in that kind of sideways movement where good projects are being born. And you can see it right here, man. Like if you invested in this, you would have paid, I don't know how much money, right? But not a lot. But you will be up 75,000%, at this point, at 5 cents. And the token was at 50 cents, right? So you would have been up 700,000%. It's absolutely fucking crazy. And there are a lot of projects like this, right? So we should also look at the projects being born right now, the really good projects being born right now, in my opinion. All right. But yeah, 5 cents. It went like not much lower. It's still sitting kind of at the lows of this bear market. Like if we take a look at where we. Come on, just work with me. If we look at where we are right now, it's not far from that. So we are buying the low of the bear market so far, right? And it has a lot of room to go up again. There is like no volume though. There is $1 million in volume, so that's not a lot. It's on Coinbase, that's good. For the rest, on Kraken, also very nice. For the rest, not a lot. They have their own exchange. So let's take a look at what it is. An exchange, I guess. The Liechtenstein exchange was founded in 2018. Okay, LCX is a proud member of World Economy Forum Center for blah, blah, blah. Okay, in addition, LCX.com has launched a second layer DeFi protocol enabling limit orders at Uniswap. Oh, fucking cool. Awesome. All right, LCX. So if we search for LCX, we also find that it's an exchange, right? And what's the volume that they have right there? 24-hour volume of $2 million. It's not a lot. It's not a lot. Exchanges. Let's take a look at what rank it is. So let me scroll down a little bit. Is it right here? LCX. LCX exchange. Okay, cool. It's getting a pretty decent trust score, right? It's ranked 78. It's like not. It's like a. It's not a tier 1 or a tier 2 exchange, like a tier 8 exchange or something like that. Like it's not a good, not good, I don't know about it, but it's not like high rank exchange. CX.io, CoinDeal, like all these are around, like TokPi is even higher ranked, X Markets, and these are already fucking shitty exchanges, right? Bitmart or BitHump, these kind of things. So it's really not there. But will it get there? Yeah, I don't know. I have no idea, but at least they have their stuff going on. But let's take a look at what it looks like. Digital assets revolution. The future will be tokenized. LCX is a regulated trading venue offering a range of digital currencies. Join our complement token sales. Get access to new and fast-growing tokens first. Okay, so I guess they have some kind of a launchpad or something in that direction. Ecosystem. Okay, cool. Chainlink, Polkadot, Quant, Celo, Coinbase. Right, next generation cryptocurrency exchange. What makes it different than what we already have? Secured approvals of 8 blockchain registrations. Okay, cool. You're legit. Thanks for that. Pro exchange. Crypto assets trading platform has been built from the ground up, leveraging the... Okay. Okay. Yeah, like it's a very risky play. Like exchange tokens can do very well. Look at BNB, look at FTX, look at KuCoin. Like these are also immune to the bear market, it seems. So if you want to buy an exchange token and you want to go really risk on, then this is a good play, because the exchange is like, I don't see a reason so far why I would open an account right here and trade on this exchange, while we also have Binance and KuCoin and all that kind of stuff. But then again, I'm just looking at it for 5 minutes, but it's not a direct eye catcher for me already. This I like though, what they said about Uniswap, like making it possible for limit orders. But you know, for the rest, I don't see a good reason to be here. They have DEX, so they have a DEX as well, CX DEX. CX DEX, you know, they have the CX and they have the DEX, so I like that. But yeah, it is pretty low cap. It is pretty low cap. So okay, cool. That's LCX. Let's go to the next one. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, AllianceBlock. Last one. AllianceBlock is one that I like from what I have seen, and I have to refresh my memory. The first thing I already want to show you. Oh, look at that pump. God damn it. More people like it, I guess. Fuck, we missed that. So we have to wait. But AllianceBlock, $28 million market cap out of the $53 million market cap. So that's really good, but it's still super low cap. Tokenomics, you know, it's not completely perfect, right? It is half from where it could go. Therefore, also would like to take a look at the vestings. If we take a look at the volume, there is some volume. Should be, because it just had a 60% bump in a week, right? It has listings on KuCoin, Bitfinex. Yeah, that's kind of it, you know, for the two known exchanges. Like, yeah, okay, we have Hotbit, but I hate that exchange. Okay, cool. So they don't have like top tier exchanges yet, but that could come. Still, what I do like though is that if we take a look at the price chart, it was sitting at 6 cents, around 6 cents when it started, and it's now sitting around the same level, right? It was even sitting at 3 cents, 4 cents, insane. So it made new lows. But before, you know, it was 6 cents, but it went all the way up to $1.36. That's an insane pump. That's 20x, right? So it shows us that it can definitely move. It could definitely move. So this is what it apparently does in a bear market. Now, there are no guarantees, but if we get a bull market, why can't it make this move again? Like, if the project is still building, right? By that time, the circulating supply probably looks better, right? And also they have developed more. So okay, cool. Seems kind of interesting. Let's take a look at the Twitter real quick. Do they have some people following them? Yeah, Trader Joe, Dutch crypto investors, Elliot Trades, like that guy, by the way. Yeah, they got some cool stuff going on right there. If we look at the Telegram, there are 10,000 members, so not a lot. Is there a lot of talking going on? People are active in here, so that's good. Recently, CV Labs hosted the list. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, great. They have quite some they have quite some updates, so that's good to see. Let's take a real quick look at the website, AllianceBlock.io. And AllianceBlock seamlessly brings DeFi and traditional finance together, and that's what we need, guys. I think this is a big narrative. Are they the one going to do that? I don't know. But if they do, then this is a fucking gem, right? The future of finance is an integrated system in which the best of both worlds can work together to increase capital flows and technological innovation. We're making that reality. So I like that. I like what they're doing. They have a lot of partnerships going on, a lot of good partnerships with things you probably heard about. So that's really nice to see. Well, they're in the media. Okay, great. I don't really care for that. Let's take a real quick look at, oh, here we have mining and staking, by the way. So that's nice, because if you see the tokenomics and you be like, yeah, okay, what is that? You can stake it, right? They have their bridge. So that's cool. I like that. I like that. I like that. It's not really loading here, but okay, for now, fuck it. Total value locked $6 million. Total value locked liquidity mining $1.7 million. Staking $4.4 million. And active campaigns 39. So we can stake it right here. The AP, whoa. APY is quite high for this project, right? So you can just choose a vault, a validator, where you can just stake it in. And for example, if you want to go on the Binance Smart Chain, you can buy these tokens, you get them in the Binance Smart Chain, you put them in here, and you get a lot of money in return, right? 57%. That's quite a lot. So here you can stake it. You select Binance Smart Chain, you connect your wallet, and there you can choose to stake it. So that's probably where a lot of these vestings are going. So in that case, I feel like, nah, this is pretty good. So AllianceBlock, yeah, I already said it. ALBT, I had it in my stuff right here, ALBT. I think this is a very decent play. So this was the last one. Again, fuck, almost 40 minutes. Sorry for that. I hope you know a little more about these projects right now. Leave for every, if you have the time though. I don't want to put you to work, but if you want to give me some input on what should stay, what should go out of these 5, leave a comment, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.